Welcome to Section 4 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. You are bound to commit mistakes when you first start getting into something, whether it is fishing or doing video marketing on the internet. And even seasoned marketers are not completely safe from the occasional mess-up. And when you don't stumble, you are likely to just dismiss good strategies that could give you a heads up. So in this video, we are going to teach you the do's and the don'ts of YouTube marketing, so you are ready to do only your best right from the get-go. Do's. Make sure that your content is always fresh and served on a regular basis. We already told you about the importance of producing evergreen content on a regular basis. But it is also important to mention that the content has to be optimized to target your audience interests and to provide value for your viewers. Keep your videos consistent with the keywords that you use on your titles and descriptions. We already showed you how to optimize your videos for rankings, but you have to be careful to only use keywords that are concise with the actual content in your videos. Make it all visually attractive, not only on your videos, but also on your channel. Attractive channel presentation is a great factor when it comes to attracting new subscribers, so make sure to take good care of how your thumbnails, banners, and channel trailer look. Always monitor your channel's performance. There is a reason why YouTube features statistics for each one of your videos besides making your dashboard to look cool. Also, make sure to integrate your channel with any other marketing channel that you run to have a complete overview of your efforts. Create playlists for related videos, so you can guide your viewers as well as your channel visitors into binge watching your videos by setting a playlist by categories that might be preferred by certain people in your audience. Don'ts. Don't submit low-quality videos. You already know that the best videos are those that look nice and clean, but you might be tempted to upload a video on a whim somewhere down the line when pressured to deliver content. Don't do it. Always make sure that your videos keep up with the highest of production quality standards. Don't use number of viewers as the only metric that you track to measure your performance. Remember that your objective might be different than getting a large number of viewers, such as if you were doing videos to promote affiliate offers, in which case you will need to track user engagement through click-through rates. Don't always put your most watched videos on top of your video lists, because this can hamper your channel's performance by outright telling your channel visitors that those are the only videos worth watching, creating a situation where they will skip the rest of your videos, which they won't perceive as good. If you want to showcase your top-rated videos or the videos that have gotten the latest number of views, you can instead create playlists that target those metrics through keywords such as most watched or highest ranked playlists. Don't neglect sound quality. This is too often an overlooked aspect of video marketing because lots of marketers only think of the word video when it comes to quality. That is why you can find many videos on YouTube with muffled or outright ugly sound production. What makes good sound quality? Nice background music at a lower volume than your voiceovers. Clean and sharp sound quality and normal default volume includes some of the elements in awesome sound quality. Don't oversaturate your marketing videos with effects. Special effects such as transitions are a great way to boost the attractiveness factor in your videos, but it can become annoying if you overuse them. Premium tools and services to consider. Every expert needs a toolbox to help him or her into making the best out of their expertise, and YouTube marketing experts are no exception. But coming up with a really useful YouTube marketing toolbox is a really daunting task that requires lots of trial and error. And that is why we are going to show you the best tools and services available to YouTube marketers with a curated list of tools that you can use to get ahead of your competition without having to deplete your budget and time while trying every tool on the market until you find the best ones, because we already did it for you. Birdsong YouTube Analytics. Birdsong's amazing analytics tool is the kind of tool that you need to automate your competitor spying tasks. Competitive analysis is important to apply on any YouTube marketing campaign because it will allow you to identify what is working best for top marketing channels. Having this information at hand will help you to better engage with your visitors and also would teach you proven ways to better attract new viewers by reverse engineering what has worked for many other successful YouTube marketers. The Birdsong YouTube Analytics tool will give you access to over 30 types of metrics in easy-to-read tables and charts to analyze account data that will allow you to check the number of views, likes, and comments that your most successful competitors are getting on their videos, and to get a data analysis report that you can use on your offline research. What this all means is that it will allow you to know the best times to upload videos in order to get liked, the best days to upload certain types of videos, the best times to upload and get comments, to know how video duration affects engagement in certain niches, and which types of words are captioned the most, among many other metrics. Canva. We mentioned in our past videos in this training that there is a graphic design aspect to YouTube marketing that has to be approached with an artful eye, because catchy and attention-grabbing thumbnails are pretty much guaranteed to get lots of clicks to your videos on searches and on recommended video feeds. And the good news is that designing awesome-looking and high-converting thumbnails for your videos is a very easy process when you know the right tools to use, and Canva is our choice in that department, because Canva will allow you to use custom thumbnail templates that you can use to create your thumbnails in record time. Canva is a premium tool that will allow you to create amazing video images on a freemium model, which means that you can create and save your thumbnails for free, but you can also pay for professionally made templates and cards. DrumUp. Have you ever found yourself ready to post your awesome new marketing content on social media, and then you realize the enormous and time-consuming effort that you will have to put in towards posting it on each one of your social media channels? Even just thinking about it can be pretty intimidating, but we have found a solution to that with DrumUp, a social media automation tool that you can use to schedule your new videos to be promoted on your social media channels with a few clicks of your mouse. It will allow you to add multiple Twitter accounts, multiple Facebook accounts, and a LinkedIn account, and then to promote your marketing videos more effectively through its one-click schedule feature. Full-screen media's end cards template. Let's not forget about video annotations to get viewers to take action on your videos so you can get more likes and subscribers. And for that, we recommend you to use the end cards template from Full-Screen Media. This template offers you customizable calls to action that include a logo button, a subscribe button, and additional thumbnail image buttons that you can use to insert recommended videos the easy way. Shocking case studies. The following are the stories of some of the marketers, businesses, and individuals that have made it big on the YouTube platforms by following only the best marketing strategies available, and we want to share them with you so you can follow their example and then lead the way for the new marketers to come. BlendTech. BlendTech is easily one of the most recognizable and beloved channels all across YouTube around the world. They are famous for their Will It Blend videos, where they simply use blenders to see if they can crush certain objects. Their initial objective of the guy behind BlendTech, Tom Dixon, was to use the videos for product demonstrations. The people behind BlendTech followed the principle of less is more when they started uploading the product demonstration videos. Then after finding out they could get millions of views with such a simple approach, they decided to make their videos into comedy sketches. The first few videos posted on the channel brought in a massive 6 million views on the channel, and currently the channel holds a record 281 million views. PlayStation. The PlayStation channel serves as the home for everything PlayStation related on YouTube. You might know the PlayStation brand as one of the leading platforms in the ever-growing gaming industry. The objective behind the PlayStation channel has been always to have a place where PlayStation fans can find amazing video content featuring their favorite brand, as well as to attract new customers and followers by showcasing amazing gaming productions. The PlayStation strategy is simple. It uses branding tactics that allows people to immediately recognize the PlayStation brand. It also relies on unique content related to their products. PlayStation was one of the fastest growing channels in the year 2013, attracting over 2 million subscribers in that year alone, and it currently has over 5 million subscribers from all around the world. GoPro. GoPro is a tech company that specializes in video equipment. From its humble origins back in 2002, it has become a household name that is now synonymous to the action cam term, because that is their main line of products. The company's initial objective was centered around demonstrating the usefulness of early GoPro products on their YouTube channel. They shifted gears right around the time when they started getting their first million views by encouraging people to provide them with user-generated content, which proved to be a killer strategy. The GoPro channel got its first 1.8 million subscribers soon after making their initial call for user-generated content, which also helped them to up their revenue in 2013 to $234 million, just by introducing YouTube in their marketing efforts. LSTN Sound Company. LSTN is a company that specializes in producing high-end wood-encased headphones, and they are mostly known because of their cause-oriented business ventures. The company's objective was to simply give back to a community that has helped them to grow by promoting headphones for the hearing impaired on YouTube. Their strategy was to send their message as clear as possible with their videos, to let people know that they were targeting a good cause. Using the "for every headphone we sell, we help restore hearing to a person in need" message on their videos. Their YouTube marketing campaign made the company able to reach their goal of helping over 22,000 people in 9 different countries, including Peru, Mexico, China, and the U.S. Rockenbach Education. The Rockenbach Company started as a small toy-producing line back in the early 90s. They focus on producing high-quality children's construction and educational toys. With the decline of brick-and-mortar stores, the company decided that it needed a new channel to promote and market their product lines, so they decided on YouTube. The company has used stop-motion videos showcasing their toys while using construction-related keywords in their video titles and descriptions to attract kids interested in the kind of toys that the company produces. Rockenbach has reported that over 50% of the new customers come from watching their products in action on the YouTube platform since their first foray back in 2006. Frequently asked questions. Congratulations! If you have made it this far on our training, you have surely learned a whole lot about how to make YouTube marketing the right way. Yet we believe that you might need some assistance along the way. And that is why we have prepared a brief video to give you a heads up on some frequently asked questions about YouTube marketing. What type of video content should you create? First off, you have to create videos that are related to the niche or business that you are going to market and promote, as creating videos that are unrelated to what your target audience wants will not allow you to get new customers only because you are uploading more content to your channel. What type of videos are there? You might be mostly familiar with in-person videos, where there is a host discussing the topic in front of the camera. But the truth is that there are several types of video, and each type of video is better suited for certain content. In-person videos. Videos featuring people in front of the camera are the most common videos out there, especially when it comes to marketing and business-oriented videos. And many people get nervous in front of a camera, but being camera-friendly is a skill that you can develop over time. The good thing about these videos is that you can edit and repurpose them to give them an extra edge or a cleaner, more professional look and feel, depending on what you're going to cover in your videos. Live streams. Live streams are a variation of the in-person videos. Whereas you are recording a video that you can easily stop and repeat, a live stream is a live broadcast. Live streams are better suited for videos where you want to interact with your viewers. Screen capture videos. Screen capture videos have become a common staple of the YouTube marketing world because they allow marketers to record on-screen actions that can be shown in YouTube videos using screen recording software. Slideshow videos. These are the type of videos where you can paste images and text to create a slideshow presentation, often with an audio or voice track. Is number of views an important metric? It depends on what you're trying to achieve. If your goal is to earn as much ad revenue as possible, absolutely, views are important. But there is a metric that might be more important than the number of views that you get. We are talking about engagement, of course, which on YouTube can be identified as click-through rates. You can have over 1 million views and only 100 clicks, which is not helping you to earn any revenue, either from advertising or affiliate marketing. So the best approach is to create quality content that can encourage your viewers to interact with your content, your links, and the ads shown on your channel. Can I buy subscribers and likes? While there are places and people out there promising you to get your channel over 100,000 views or subscribers in record time, we don't recommend you to hire their services because, you see, The YouTube algorithm is pretty good at detecting fraudulent interactions on videos uploaded to the platform. That is mostly because social proof is built over time, and reaching 1,000 views or subscribers is not that easy at first for most, let alone 100,000. The best approach to keeping your audience growing is by getting backlinks to your videos, which you can do by creating amazing content and interacting with other content creators that can help you to get your content out there. Can I use music on my marketing videos? You can, but make sure that you are not using songs that are subjected to hard copyright rules. Otherwise, your channel can get a copyright strike. We recommend you to use music from the free music library in your channel's dashboard.